All right, so number 27. What we're looking at here is 7 equals x minus 8 over 3. And remember, I'm going to write up on the top first before I show you anything what I've done. Remember, there's an invisible parentheses around each top and bottom of a fraction bar. Or, anything that's written as a fraction like this with an expression in it, there's an invisible parentheses around each part of it. Okay, so what does that look like for us? Well, when we're doing this, then we first, of course, write the original equation untouched. 7 equals x minus 8 over 3. We don't write those parentheses. We just know that they're there. Okay, so then what happens last? Well, the first thing that would happen if order of operations could apply because we knew x, we would first do that inside the parentheses, finally dividing by 3 afterwards. So that's the first thing we undo. How do we undo divided by 3? We do it with times 3. So we take both sides and we multiply times 3. 3 times 7 in parentheses equals 3 times x minus 8 over 3 in parentheses. Okay, everything on the left-hand side goes in parentheses. Everything on the right-hand side goes in parentheses. And then the multiplier goes out front. So we then now at this stage simplify. 3 times 7 is 21. And of course, the whole point of multiplying by 3 was to undo this divided by 3. So both of these parts go away, leaving just x minus 8. Okay, leaving just one more thing to do, which is to add 8 to both sides. We do 21 plus 8. And we do x minus 8 plus 8. Okay, now we just got to simplify. 21 plus 8 is 29, and x minus 8 and then plus 8, these two pieces undo each other, and we get just x. So 29 equals x. And let's see for the proof if it works. Okay, we write proof, and then we write the original equation unchanged. 7 equals x minus 8 over 3, and then we rewrite it with parentheses where the x was and fill in that parentheses with the value that we predict for x, or that we found for x. Okay. Now we're just following order of operations. The first thing that we need to do on this side is to do the subtraction, because remember the invisible parentheses says that all what happens on top has to happen first. Okay, so we do 7 equals 29 minus 8 is 21 all over 3. So it's 21 divided by 3? It's 7. So we get 7 equals 7, and that indeed works.